Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up and use the Microsoft Authenticator app to secure your account with multi-factor authentication. This app is an easy and reliable way to verify your identity without relying on SMS or phone calls. And it's especially useful for work or school accounts that multiple people might monitor. To get started, open a desktop or laptop browser and sign into your Outlook or Office 365 account. Once signed in, click on your name in the upper right corner and choose View Account. From there, go to the Security Info section. If you're already using MFA, you might be prompted to verify your identity first. Next, click Add Method and select Authenticator app from the list. Click Add to continue. The site will prompt you to download and install the Microsoft Authenticator app on your mobile device. You can get it from the App Store or Google Play, and once installed, open the app, allow notifications, and select Add Account. Then choose Work or School Account and pick the option to scan a QR code. Back on your computer, the site will display a QR code. Scan this QR code with the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone. If you can't use your camera, there's also an option to enter a code manually. After scanning, approve the test notification that appears on your mobile device. Once approved, your account is successfully connected to the app and is ready to use for MFA. From now on, whenever you log into your account or perform sensitive actions, you'll receive a notification in the Microsoft Authenticator app to approve or deny the request. This keeps your account more secure and eliminates the need for SMS codes. That's it for today's tutorial. If this helped you set up your Microsoft Authenticator app, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and guides. Thanks for watching.